Greetings, everyone. Through here, I build AI systems to run and optimize my entire life. And on this channel, I show you how. Imagine you at the center of your life. There are things that are important: your health, your wealth, your taxes, your vehicle. AI systems that can monitor all of this, taking your goals and feedback and help you optimize that. That is the goal. Now, going into Paperclip is what we talk a lot about to build this AI system. So in here, I have about 15 or so agents working for me 24/7, optimizing different areas of my life. Now, if you've watched all the demos we've done, I'm assuming that you will have a robust understanding of what this is. A key aspect and a key differentiation between a system like Paperclip, the Omega architecture we've talked about, versus going into a chat interface like ChatGPT or Claude is the idea of goals. ChatGPT doesn't take your goals. Claude doesn't take your goals. Paperclip does. So Paperclip works effectively when you come in with robust goals. If you have 15 agents and those agents have nothing to work on, all you have is just 15 agents that are sitting there doing nothing. And that's not the mission of this channel. So if you have these agents for your life, for your real estate, your taxes, your health, your wealth, and everything in between, you can either copy this or use them as inspiration for your own agents. The question is, well, what do you want those agents to do for you? And that's where goals become important. And I've curated a list of about 15 goals in here, not to be prescriptive with this, but to use it as a source of inspiration for you to think about what your own goals could be. Because what's important to you for your life, for your own situation, for your own unique context where you are, might be different from somebody else. So look at this as a form of inspiration to help you put the AI to work effectively. So the very first goal here is a wealth optimization. And the reason why goals are important is that agents will work on those goals. If you give it good goals, those agents will work on the goals. So wealth, I think everyone would appreciate optimizing their wealth. And in here, we're instructing the agents to look at the financial position, optimize that, and then send daily updates based on the position of the wealth. A little bit generic, but still a good starting point. Something is better than nothing. In here, most people want to get in shape. Just a simple one: help me get in shape, whatever that means. The agent will help on that. In here, help me make 5K a month inside income. I think most people will appreciate that. 5K a month inside income is pretty remarkable if you can do that. Now, imagine giving this as a goal to your agent, and maybe a sub goal in here could be, could you help me, start a company, start a YouTube channel, or start blogging? Whatever it is, give your goals to the agents. The agents will work on that. In here could be optimizing your daily routine, asking the agents to optimize that. You might want to put that as a goal. Increasing the net worth with a clear capital plan. This is something about tracking your account positions, your cash, your debt, your investments, looking across all your entire portfolio with all the agents talking to each other, helping you could be an interesting or worthwhile goal to have. Run a company could be one thing. Protect the calendar and focus on time. We all know they say time is money, but if you don't protect it, you're going to lose it. So having these agents, having access to your calendar, managing your schedule, going inbox zero, cleaning up your inbox, triaging that, protecting your valuable time could be a very interesting goal to have. Personal health command center could be another one. Being able to take and organize your health records, your medical records, your workout routines, connecting the dots, appointments, reminders, energy, mood, you name it. Having this agent track, monitor that for you and keep you updated. Also, not being surprised by taxes ever. So being able to keep your taxes, estimate payments, make the payments that need to be made, curate the documents, organize them for the CPA, giving you, being almost your co-pilot to your tax position, keeping your legal foundation in place. So think about organizing contracts, estate plans, agreements, documents, liabilities, and such. Being able to monitor that could be a worthwhile goal to give to your army or your fleet of agents to work on. Going down to insurance. Are there gaps in your insurance? Are you underinsured? Are you overinsured? What are the risks? What are the liabilities? Do you have umbrella policies when a renewal is happening? Are you on top of all of that? Those are things that today folks might manually do with spreadsheets, but what if you have agents working 24/7 helping you in those domains? Thinking about folks with employment positions, you're looking at your 401ks, your HSA, health saving accounts, FSAs. How much are you getting? How could you maximize that? Are there equities? When do they vest? How do you take advantage of that? How does that impact your health? How does that impact your wealth? Being able to track all of those and assign them to agents could be something worth doing. For those with real estate, there are property documents, there are carryover costs or carrying costs, insurance, taxes, investment opportunities, renewals, and such things you have to stay on top. Could you have agents working 24/7 monitoring those, alerting you if there are issues? Are you maxing out the value of the benefits from an employer per se? So you take advantage of that. So we've spoken about that with HSA and HSA. Having a vehicle, I think most folks, especially in the Western world, will have a vehicle or two or three or four. Um, what are the registrations? When are the maintenance cycles, warranties, insurance? And insurance ties back to your insurance coverage. Could you have agents looking for that, monitoring that, connecting the dots, alerting you so you stay on top of all of this? Going to traveling, I think most folks will appreciate traveling, a break every now and then, a vacation in the city or out of the city, out of the country. What are those locations? What are the itineraries, confirmations, preparation list, reminders, bookings, research, all the things that goes into it? Imagine having your own dedicated agent working 24/7 for you on that. Folks also have notes. It might be voice notes, old manual notes you've kept over the years. Could you have an agent look at that over 10 years, over 20 years, and collate? What are your thinkings? What are your ideas? What are your philosophies? What's important to you? Can you connect those dots? You can have an agent working and surfacing all of that for you, right easy. In here, think about the idea of learning. Think about the new things you want to keep growing on, maybe courses you need to take, credentials you should be pursuing, skills you should be building. Like everyone talking about AI right now is a big, big wave that is coming. Are you building the right skills? Are you investing your mind and your time in the right direction? Could you have an agent that's researching, collating, figuring out this, and putting that in front of you in your inbox, on your calendar, so you can stay on top of that to optimize your life? What if you can think about your career, your resume, the opportunities, compensations? Are you at the right compensation benchmark? What career moves can you make? What does the industry trends look like? What companies are hiring? What companies should you stay away from? What skills should you build to compound and put you in an optimal position in your career? Are you just growing still, or are there big opportunity moves you can make? These are all things that putting in as goals, and your goals could be completely different. Maybe your goal is just to not have a goal. That's still a goal to put it in here as a goal and use this as a starting point. And the moment you have these goals, whatever those goals are, however big or however small the goals are, that is when these agents can go to town. That is when these agents can do their magic, working 24/7 for you while you sleep, while you go for a walk, while you go for a hike. These agents are going to be there, going, doing the research, updating, coordinating with each other. And that is how you get the maximum leverage from life. And these are things we all do today. Most folks, if you're watching this channel, I'm guessing you're in a position where you can check a box or two from this list, or some folks might even check all the boxes on this list. How do you do it today? Is it manual? Is it difficult? Is it time consuming? What if agents could help you with that? That is the promise of what AI brings in front of us. I know some folks are scared when we talk about this. We showcase these videos. It seems like, oh, AI is going to replace us. AI is going to, take my job. AI is going to make me not relevant anymore. I can't agree or deny to that. But what I can say is AI can help a lot. If you think about all the things that are needed that could be very manual, and having AI essentially automate that and augment that, the opportunities could be massive. But it's massive for those who are prepared, for those who invest, for those who know what their goals are, for those who write down their goals, for those who can delegate their goals to their AI agents, so those AI agents can work for you. You don't have to be a CEO of a company. You don't have to go out and be an entrepreneur. You just really want to take care of your life. I think most people just want to have a good life and just, go out to the baseball game at night and take the kids to church on Sunday and just live a comfortable life. But all of these are still responsibilities we have to take care of. And having AI help on that is extremely promising, which is why we're making this channel and these videos AI ready. You're putting you at the center. Whatever is important to you, AI can come in and help with that. And the beauty of it is the infrastructure is there for this to be possible. Making this video 6 months ago, I could tell you the technology just wasn't there. Now you have a nice UI. I think most people can, if you can check Gmail, you can probably open this and work with it comfortably. So we're not talking about being something exotic. You don't have to learn how to write Python or what the fine tuning of a machine learning model is. For the most part, most people can open this, put in their goals, and guess what? Agents can go work on that. And I'm really hoping that this gives you inspiration. It gives you that motivation. It gives you that promise that the future could be bright if you invest in AI on all aspects of your life to be prepared for what the future brings. So as always, do check out, we have the vault in here, which comes with a set of prompts, a set of skills, and actually touching on 15 live domains. And this will probably get updated. Get it to support the channel, get it because it'll be a good starting point for you. Or just get it to share this with somebody that might appreciate getting this 15 live vault and AI ready skills for them to accelerate. As always, this is Fro. Thank you. If you've watched to this point, it really means a lot to me. Give us a subscribe. I'm looking at the statistics, and I think less than, I might be wrong on this, but about 5% of you have actually subscribed or watched this channel. And you can imagine my goal is to get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. It probably doesn't mean anything to you, but it means a lot to me. And that's a goal that I'm going to be putting in here too as well. So if you want that goal to come to fruition for me, please go ahead and subscribe. I think we're growing quite a bit. That will mean a lot to me. And it actually proves the point that AI is helping me grow on my own goal, which is to make this channel as useful and as productive as it can be. As always, thanks again for watching. This is Fro. I'll see you in the next demo.